Welcome back to our maths class. A warm good morning to one and all. How was your holidays? Hope you enjoy your holidays. Last class we discussed exercise 9a, two questions. Today we are going to continue exercise 9a. Exercise 9a, question number 1, fourth question. Rupees 4,000 in 1/3 years at 2% per rupee per month. See here rupees 4,000. That means here principal is equal to rupees 4,000 and time period 1/3 years at 2 paisa per rupee per month, not in years. Interest is in month. So how to convert that? Listen here. See, principal P is equal to rupees 4,000, time T is equal to 1/3 years. 1/3 is 1 3s are 3 plus 1. Before that we want to convert this month year into month. 1 year means 12 month. Then 12/3 year how to convert? See, 1/3 year how to convert? 1/3 means it is 12/3 months. Otherwise 4 months, 1/3 means 4 months. So 1 year 4 months. 1 year 4 months. So total 1 year is equal to 12 months plus 4 months, 16 months. Okay. See, 1/3 year means it will change into month. That is 12/3 month. 12/3 means 4 months. Okay. 1/3 means 4 months. And 1/2 means 6 months. And 3/4 means 9 months, like that. Okay, 12/3 is 4, So 1 year is equal to 12. So 12 plus 4 months, 16 months. Because this question we need in months, not in year. So 16 months. Now let rate is equal to 2 paisa per month. Per month it is 2 paisa per rupee. For each 1 rupee. Usually rate of interest is calculated, it depends on every 100 rupees. Rate of interest is for every 100 rupees. But here 2 paisa per month per rupee. Per rupee. For 1 rupee it is 20 paisa. Sorry, 2 paisa. Okay, for 1 rupee it is 2 paisa per month. 2 paisa per month. So we can write 2% per month, not per annum, not per annually. It is 2% per month. Now we know that for the formula for interest is equal to P into R into T by 100. Now direct substitution, 4,000 into 2 into time period 16 months. Here remember that 16, not year. Calculate this in month because the interest is in month, per month. That's why the year we want to convert into month. Year converted into month. Okay, the year we want to convert into month. Okay, so cancellation, this 2 0 and 0 get cancelled. 40 into 2 into 60, that is 40 into 32, 1,280. 1,280. Now we want to find the amount also. Amount A is equal to P plus I, principal plus interest. Amount is the sum of principal and interest. That is 4,000 plus 1,280 equal to 5,280. 5,280. Clear? First principal, then time. Time is in year. We want to convert this in month. That is 1 year 4 month. 1/3 year means. Then 1 year you want to convert into month. That is 12 month plus 4 months, 16 months. Here the interest depend upon month. 2% per month, Interest 2 paisa per month means 2% per month. Now interest, the formula PRT by 100. So it is 1,280. Then amount A is equal to P plus I. 4,000 plus 1280 is 5280. Okay, clear? Now question number 2. Rohit borrowed rupees 24,000 at 7.5% per year. How much money will he pay at the end of 4 years to clear his debt? Rohit borrow 24,000. So here principal is 24,000 at 7.5% per annum. Per year means yearly interest is 7.5. How much money will he pay at the end of 4 years? So time period is 4 years. How much money we want to find? A amount. Okay. So first amount for calculating before calculating amount we want to find interest, amount is principal plus interest. So principal P is equal to 24,000. Rate of interest 7.5 per annum per year. Time period 4 years. So simple interest using formula PRT by 100. So 24,000 into R 7.5 into 4 by 100. So this 0 and this 0 get cancelled. 240 into 7.5 into 4. Okay, not 5, 4. Okay, 4. So 7,200. 7,200 rupees. 7,200. Now we want to find amount. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. That is 24,000 is the principal, plus 7,200 is equal to 31,200. 31,200. Clear? Direct question. First principal. Second question. Principal 24,000 rate 7.5% per annum. Time period 4 years. Simple interest PRT by 100. So 24,000 into 7.5 into 4 by 100. 0 get cancelled. So 240 into 7.5 into 4. 7,200. Now amount is equal to principal plus interest. 24,000 plus 7,200. 31,200. Okay. See, third question you can do yourself. The interest on certain sum of money is 1,480 in 2 years at 10% per annum. Find the sum of money. Let it be there. Let us discuss fourth question. On what principle will that simple interest be 7,008 in 6 years, 3 months at 5% per annum? See, we want to find on what principle. So we want to find principle. The simple interest be 7,008. So the interest is 7,008 in 6 years, 3 months. So time period is given, interest is given, rate is given. So we want to find principle. On what principle will the simple interest become 7,008? So what is the principle here? When the simple interest become 7,008 in 6 years, 3 months and rate of interest 5%. Okay. So here principle. P. We don't know P. So let it be P. Okay. P. We don't know what is that. Now time period. T is equal to 6 years, 3 months. Convert this month into year. So 6, 3 months means 3 by 2 year. 3 months mean 3 by 2 year. 6, 3 by 2. So 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. Okay, 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So 6 1 by 4 year. 6 1 by 4 year. Now convert in mixed fraction. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25 year. 25 year. Okay. 25 by 4 here. Denominator is there 4. Now rate 5%. Interest 7,008. Interest is rupees 7,008. Now we know that the formula interest is equal to PRT by 100. But here interest is given. We want to find a P. So already we learned one formula. P is equal to this 100 goes to opposite side. 100 I by RT. R and T comes to denominator. So P is equal to I into 100 or 100 I by RT. 100 I by RT or I into 100 by RT. P is equal to 100 I by RT or I into 100 by RT. So I 7008 into 100 by R 25 by R 5 T 25 by 4. Here again denominator, here one denominator, again denominator. So take the reciprocal. 25 by 4 become 4 by 25. So 7008 into 100 into 4 by 25 into 5. This denominator 4 moves to numerator. Now we know that the cancellation. 1 into 25, 25. 4 into 25, 100. Okay, so 7008 into 4 into 4 by 5, which is equal to 7008 by 16 into 8 by 6, into 8, 16 by 5. So 7008 into 16 is 112128. Okay, 1,12,128 by 5. Now division by 5, 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, then 20, 4 5s are 20, 12, 5 2s are 10, then 28, 5 5s are 25, 3, 30, 6 5s are 30. So 22,425.60 is the answer. Principal is equal to 22,425.60. Okay, so first what to do? First principal we want to find. A time period is given 6 years 3 months. So 6 3 by 12, because 3 months we want to convert in year. So 3 by 12. There are 12 months in a year, you know. 6 3 by 12. That is 6 1 by 4 year equal to 25 by 4 year. Now rate 5. Interest 7008. You want to find a principal. One formula is there. Principal P is equal to 100 I by RT. How to get 100 I by RT? Because interest is equal to PRT by 100. You want to find P. So keep it there. 100 moves to opposite side. That is numerator. So 100 I by RT. Okay. So 7008 into 100 by 25 by 4 into 5. Here one denominator is there. This denominator moves to numerator. So 7008 into 100 into 4 by 25 into 5. This 25 and 100 get cancelled. So 7008 into 4 into 4 is 7008 into 16 by 5. 7008 into 16 is 1,12,128 by 5 equal to 22,425.60. Okay. Same way you can find third and fifth question. Third question, the interest on a certain sum of money is 1,480 in 2 years at 10% per year. Find the sum of money. So here interest is given 1,480, rate of interest 10%, time period 2. You can find the principal. Okay. Find principal. Then sum of money means principal amount is equal to P plus I. If you get the principal, add to interest P plus I. Okay. Fifth question also same way. Find the principal which will amount to rupees 4,000 in 4 years at 6.25 per annum. Same way. P is equal to 100 I by RT. Okay, now sixth question. Let us discuss sixth question number 1. See, what is the question? At what rate percentage annum will rupees 630 produce an interest of rupees 126 in 4 years? At what rate percent? We want to find R, rate of interest R. Will rupees 630 produce an interest? So 630 is the principal and interest 126. So I is equal to 126, time period 4 years. Okay, at what rate percentage per annum will rupees 630 produce? So here P is equal to rupees 630. So P is equal to rupees 630, interest 126, time period 4 years, right? We want to find. We know the formula I is equal to PRT by 100. So what is R? We want to find R, 100 I by PT. 100 I by PT. R is equal to 100 I by PT or I into 100 by PT. I into 100 by PT. Okay. 100 I by PT or I into 100 by PT. Here I is 126 into 100 by P 630 into 4. Here 1 0 and this 1 0 get cancelled. Now this 2 stable. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 63 here. So 63 into again 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. Okay, 63 into 5 by 63. The 63 get cancelled. Answer 5%. Very simple cancellation. See, first P is equal to 630, I is equal to 126, T equal to 4 years. Then R is equal to 100 I by PT. Answer 5%. 5% here. The 0 and 0 get cancelled. And the 63 and 126 you can cancel otherwise. Okay, 63 and 126 also you can cancel. Otherwise 4 and 126 in 2 stable. Okay. Now second question, second one. At what rate percentage per year will a sum double itself in 6 1 by 4 years? You want to find rate of interest. At what rate percent per year a sum double itself in 6 1 by 4 years? A sum double, that is a principal double itself after 6 1 by 4 years. That means the amount will double. Suppose if the principal is 100, then at what rate percentage it will become 200 rupees, double 200. Okay, so we don't know what is the principal. Let it be 100. Let P is equal to 100 because we don't know what is the rate principal here. One thing we know, amount is equal to double. Amount is equal to double of principal, that is 2 into 100 equal to 200. Amount is double, so 2 into 100, 200. Amount and a principal we know. How to find interest? One formula is there. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. So what is interest? Interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount minus principal, because amount is equal to principal plus interest we know. Here principal is 100, amount is 200. So how to find interest? Amount minus principal, A minus P. Okay, interest is A minus P. 200 minus 100, so 100 rupees. Now time period is 6 1 by 4 years, which is equal to 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 4 years. Now R, rate of interest is equal to 100 I by PT. 100 I by PT. 100 into, what is I? 100. What is principal? Principal 100. So here 100 into what is T? 25 by 4. Now this 4 is in denominator, so goes to numerator. Moves to numerator. So 100 into 4 by 100 into 25. This 100 get cancelled. Then 1 into 25, 25, 4 into 25, 100. Now 4 fours are 60. 4 fours are 60. Okay. Suppose, see here, principal is not given, only the amount will double the principal is given. Amount is double of principal, so let it be 100. Principal is 100. Amount 2 into 100. Double means 2 into 100. Okay. Now what is interest? We know that amount is principal plus interest. So interest is amount minus P. Amount is interest plus principal plus interest. So interest is amount minus principal. 200 minus 100. Interest is 100. Time period 25 by 4. Now apply the formula. R is equal to 100I by PT. 100 into I also 100, you know. P 100 T 25 by 4. After cancellation 16%. Okay. Now 7th question. Second one. Find the time in which rupees 1200 will amount to 1536 at 3.5 per year. Find the time. We want to find time period which rupees 1200 will amount to 1536. Principal 1200 and amount 1536. Here interest is not given. We can find the interest by using amount and principal. Okay. See. Amount 1536. Principal is 1200. Interest we don't know, but we know the formula. Amount is equal to principal plus interest. Amount is equal to principal interest. So interest is amount minus principal. Amount minus principal, that is 1536 minus 1200 is 336. Rate of interest 3.5% per year. 3.5% per annum. Year means annum. Okay. Now formula. Time period is equal to 100I by PR. 100I by PR. So 100 into what is I? 336 by what is P? 1200. What is R? 3.5. Okay. Now cancellation. This to 0. 0 get cancelled. So 336 by 12 into 35. Okay. Now 35 can be written as 35 by 10. 3.5 can be written as 35 by 10. Okay, then only we can cancel easily. 35 by 10. Now this 10 moves to here denominator, you know, again, so moves to numerator. That is 336 into 10 by 12 into 35. 10 and 35. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 7 5s are 35. Okay. Now 7 and 56. 1 7s are 7. 336. 4 7s are 28. 8 7s are. Okay. Now 12 and 48. 4. Okay. So 4 2s are 8. 8 by 7. So 4 2s are 8. 8 years. Okay. A is equal to 1536. P is 1200. So interest is 336. A minus B. Now apply the formula. I into 100 by PR. So 8 years. See, to cancel easily, 3.5 become 35 by 10. We will change it to 35 by 10. This 10 moves to numerator. So 336 by 10 into 12. 10 by 12 into 35. If you want, you can cancel 336 and 12. So we will get 28. 28 into 10 by 35. That also correct. 8 years. Now 8th question. The simple interest on a certain sum of money is 3 by 8 of the sum in 6 1 by 4 years. Find the rate percent charged. You want to find R here. The simple interest on a certain sum of money. We don't know what is the money. But simple interest is 3 by 8 of the sum. 3 by 8 of the sum. So here we want to take P is equal to rupees 8. Why? Because if P is equal to 100, we want to find interest is 3 by 8 of 100. 3 by 8 of 100, but cancellation will be tough, 3 by 8 of 100. So let it be, for the easiness of calculation, let it be 8. P is equal to 8. Now what is interest? 3 by 8 of the interest is 3 by 8 of the sum, interest is 3 by 8 of the sum. That's why 3 by 8 into 8. Interest is 3 by 8 into 8. 8 get cancelled. So interest is 3 rupees, We will get a whole number. Otherwise, we will get a fraction, If we are taking here 100 rupees, P is equal to 100, then we will get a fraction. If it is 8 rupees, the interest is 3 by 8 of 8. 3 by 8 of 8 is 3. Now time period 6 1 by 4 equal to 25 by 4 years. Now how to find R? R by using formula I into 100 by PT or P 100I by PT. I is equal to 3. 100 into 3 by P is what? 8. Here we take 8, 8 into 25 by 4. So 100 into this 4 moves to numerator. 100 into 3 into 4 by 8 into 25. 1 into 25, 25. 4. Now 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Again 2. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 3 2s are 6%. 6%. Okay. Only one thing you remember, let it P is equal to 8. Don't take 100 and all. Let it be 8 because interest is 3 by 8 of the sum, So 3 by 8 of 8. That this 8 will get cancelled. We will get a rupees 3 as interest. So it will be simple for calculation. So R is equal to 100I by PT. So 100 into 3 by 8 into 24 into 4. 25 into 4. So 6%. Okay, 6%. Now mark the homework. Exercise 9A, 3, 5 and 7th one first sub question. Question number 3, question number 5 and 7 1. Okay, 3 questions are homework. Thank you. Have a nice day.